Hi guys. So first off, I'd like to apologize for yesterday at Kings of Club. I would like to thank everyone that came through but couldn't see me. There was just some kind of misunderstanding between me and the promoter, and obviously this is a business, people have to be paid and all that stuff, and if certain things are not met according to the agreement that we had between me and the promoter, obviously there's no way I would leave my hotel room to attend a club. There's no way I could have flown 24 hours from Africa to be in the UK and not come to the white party. So I would like to apologize. Thank you so much for coming out yesterday, but this has nothing to do with anyone. It's just me and the promoter. It's a business, I have to be paid, and if that's not going to happen, unfortunately I am not putting my face to that. The brighter side of things right now is you get to know my husband is a fully grown ass man and he's not a child. Okay, and one blogger, this skinny ass shit blogger, she always has, she was born in 1980, her passport says 1978. Let me tell you something, nobody can take away my age. I was born in 1980, 23rd September. My family knows that. My mother, my parents, obviously my siblings, and the people that I went to school with. The years that, obviously you would know. People know. But when people travel, people change names, people change dates of their birth. People change a lot of things, for whatever reason when they travel to other countries. So for me, that's nothing. I was born in 1980 and my man is 30 plus. But it's just clearly that at that time it got to almost 4 when the club is almost closing, and for me there was no payments, and this person is literally forcing me to go to the club, and I'm like, but how? It's a business, I need to be paid. So in the process now, the promoter is leaking our passport with my husband to bloggers. I don't know what is the motive, and just to add on to that, it's very illegal, because that's like private documents that now they are leaking to bloggers. But for whatever reason, at this point, I don't care. And I just want to thank everyone that came through.
Nze ne Zari, we agreed. Actually, Zari yampita nga she used to call me all this, mukolere visa. Kati ne mukolera visa ku September. Ne mukolera visa September. Nenkolera ne Shakib work permit ne visa. Nangamba visa ya Shakib ya work permit ne visa byonna nja kola ki ajja kubinsasula munga tukoze white party. So I did in September, but we didn't manage because yangamba mbo Netflix tebamuwadde budde bwa kujja in the UK. I lost the money and Zari did not come because of Netflix. Ezo sente nenzifirwa eza visa zonna, visa ya Zari ne visa ya Shakibu in September, which was like 7,000 last year. Kati this year Zari nangamba mukolere visa because everything is fine. I know she has time to come, so I had to do it all over again. So when I started, and she also told me the same thing, mukolere visa ya Shakib na ye, but when it comes to spending wa Shakib, she's gonna be the one to incur the expenses. But she told me to use my money. And then ajja kundifandinga ngazem UK when we do the show, which I did. But when she came for the show, we did a London show na appearing. Obuzibu ne bujja ku London, ku Birmingham. So we tried to ka Birmingham. Nga tetunatuuka nangamba mugulireyo suitcase ku sente zange. Era ne muguliranga muganda wange. Nagamba mbu aguze ebintu biki suitcase like space temala mugulireyo suitcase. Ne mugulira. Then nantuma mbu mugulire something for the like a machine like the hair tongue ya nviri. Ne mugulira ku sente zange nge tugenda ebyo byonna nga biri awo. Kati we twatuka Birmingham twatukayo kiro like sawa 4 nga waliwo ba makeup artist nga biki, so she went to do her hair. Betatuka sawa 7 nagamba mbu ayagala kwebaka. Kati nze ne ngamba lwaki ayagala kwebaka. So I called her. Nagamba njagala kwebaka, but anyway I want my money. But I had money in my account. Nemugamba, I have money in my account. If you have someone. Yeah, so that's what happened. Zari nze what I'm surprised is Zari we namuwa sente n'agamba mbu tezimala. Ne mugamba nkusaze sente za Shakib. N'akukako waya. N'agamba lwaki musaze sente za Shakib. Lwaki mutodeko sente za Shakib. Ne mugamba but that's what we agreed. We agreed nkole Shakib visa. Kati nze nkuwadde oweddeyo because nzijeko ticket ya Shakib which is 1,500. Nenzijako work permit, nenzijako visa. Kati ya obo sigazachi. So this is what I owe you. Na korachi na anyiga. Kati we yanyiga, ate ne sente nazitwala. Ate no attendinga na ata attendinga. So I'm surprised. Did you really want the money or you wanted to rob me? So me, I'm thinking, to be honest, her being a billionaire, ngabwa mfuma ambo ate billionaire, lwachi abba sente z'omunaku nganze. Yandi ndese nagamba kati ono munaku lwachi buno busente ze mbutwala. Nabuleka. You're still a billionaire, ate still. Kati bw'obanga oli billionaire, ate lwachi wangamba Shakibu nkolechi? Musasulire economy. Wandikosesa sente zo Zari, no sasulira Shakib business class the way I did for you. Why did you put Shakib in economy? Because you think Shakib deserves economy. Because Zari is very selfish. Zari does not think of anyone. Or your goita husband you want. Nayo muteka mu economy. Nayo ina sente zo kumuteka business as much as you think you're a billionaire. No man. Zari, this has to stop of you putting people down. All the time you put people down. This has to stop. And I told Zari, Bobo amanyira kumanyira bantu, ngobavuma. I'm comfortable.